Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to access your YouTube playlist on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, click on this, go to YouTube Studio. We can search for this physically or go to a shortcut which is on your toolbar, YouTube Studio. Make sure you're signed into the account and then go to the left hand side navigation bar where it says dashboard, videos, then we see playlist. Click on this and then it redirects us to another page and gives us the layout of the old YouTube Creator Classic. And now we have the ability to add new playlists. If we click on edit, it takes us to another page. And now we can see all the videos in the playlist that we created a couple of months ago. We can edit, share, all that is another video. If we close out of the page we are on, close out of the page again. Quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.